Hi, this is Jack from Jack's Garage. Today I'm working on my 2013 Dodge Ram 1500. I'll be installing the overhead console with the Homelink features. So let's get started. Here is the new one that I'm going to be installing today. This has the 3 buttons for the Homelink functions. It has a rear window slider and then has LED lights. As you can see on my overhead console that I have in now, it has the standard bulbs. I do not have a rear window slider, and it does not have the Uconnect buttons. To pull down the console, you'll need to remove these 4 clips to pry them down, and there will be 3 plugs to pop out also. The first step removing the console will be to slide in your tool and then put your hands behind it and pry it down. So that's the front 2, and then you'll have 2 in the middle. And then they'll pop right out. So we have the 1 clip that pops out the front, we have 1 in the middle, and then we have 1 in the back. Here are my 2 consoles. I plugged the new one in to test it, and the LED lights didn't work. So I'm going to take my old ones and put them in my new one. I also don't have the rear window slider function, so I'm going to swap that plate out too. So now I'll show you how to do it. On the back side of the consoles, the trim ring comes off quite easy. Pop one side off, and then you pop the other side off. And then we will remove the lenses. Have the ones for the regular lights and then the ones for the LEDs. Just put them on the same way they came off. In this blank plate, there's 2 clips. You just pop down. Same thing with this one, there's 2 clips. They'll pop right off. You just reattach it the same way that it came off. Pops right in. And then the same thing with the lens covers. And we find the one with the old style lights. Then you have the clips here. Slide right in. There we go. Now we have my old console with the Homelink functions attached. Now to put it back in. These 2 clips will slide in the back. Put this one in, and then we have the little light. That'll pop back in place. There we go. And then this white one will slide in the front. Okay.
Yes.
And then we make sure it's slid in. And then get the 2 middle clips. And then the 2 back. Here we go. Alright, our lights are working. And then we'll see if when we hit the first button, if it comes on. We got channel 1 transmitting, we got channel 2 transmitting, and channel 3 transmitting. Now I'll show you how to program the garage door.
Okay.
The first step is to press the Learn button on the back of the garage door opener until the red light comes on. So the second step is, while the Learn button has been pressed, you hold the number 1 until the lights blink, or for 10 seconds. Let's test it.
Okay.
Well, looks like it works great. So that was just a quick little video for today. Thanks for watching.